seems to shine like you've had too much wine. That's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling, ting-a-ling-a-ling.
I'm heading to the ferry to go to Favignana this morning. We just arrived. And this is a ferry for Favignana. Okay. The ferry leaves for Marsala. It takes about 20 minutes to get to Favignana. So I bought vegan croissant with pistachio. It's my first time I can bought something in Sicily vegan, really. It's not simple things here, you know. Look at this. It's very tasty.
Ha dovuto aspettare le 9:10 perché c'era un posto solo.
We are in Favignana. We're ready for explore. We just rent the bicycle.
Dietro la cima e con il più e con il meno ti aiuto. Più aiuto, meno aiuto.
Okay. For visiting the island, we need to bicycle. Not rent the car. I'm not recommended for you. Bicycle, it's with battery, so it's more simple. We are going in the beach, Cala Rossa. Donata, Cala Rossa o Cala Blu? It's Cala Azzurra. Sì, sì. We are going Cala Azzurra. We've just arrived at Calazzura. Really beautiful, and the water is so blue, so amazing, so color, so intense blue. It's same of the pool, you know. Look at this. Look at this. Small beach, so not simple to stay here. But you know, just look at this view. It's amazing. It's so beautiful.
Penso che un sogno così non ritorni mai più. Mi dipingevo le mani e la faccia di Dio. Poi d'improvviso venivo dal vento rapito e incominciavo a volare nel cielo infinito. Volare, oh, cantare, oh, nel blu dipinto di blu, felice di stare lassù. E volavo, volavo felice più in alto del sole ed ancora più su, mentre il mondo pian piano spariva lontano laggiù. Una musica dolce suonava soltanto per me. Volare, oh, cantare, oh, nel
Questo si chiama cucuncio.
Cucuncio.
Cucuncio, sì.
This is cucuncio.
Che poi praticamente, sì.
Adesso è sena allora di capra, no?
Questo praticamente, perché questo rosso non lo so. Il cappero poi,
Flower of cappero. It's a specialty of Sicily. Bye, Calazzura. Bye bye, Calazzura. It's so very hot. Woo. Now we were going to Cala Rossa. It's the center of Favignana.
Non le manco detto.
At Cala Rossa now, it's absolutely beautiful. It's absolutely hot. Oh, very, very hot today. But look at this. It's amazing. It's amazing. Getting down and back up was hard, so definitely you need water shoes. But it was totally worth it. So it's amazing place, but remember you need the shoes. So now we come back when maybe we need to take something cold drink on it, maybe ice cream, and after 6 o'clock we will go. This is Playa Beach. It's close to the port, right in town. It's much calmer than the over beaches, example Cala Rossa, Cala Blu, and it has soft sand. This is where tuna used to process it. Today it's been turned into a museum, not more producing tuna. And it's an amazing place, very beautiful. So you can enter, you need booking before. And it's an amazing, beautiful museum. I'm back in Marsala by ferry. And now we're heading to the Saline. It's a salt pens of Marsala. And finally, here we are in Saline. We just arrived in time for sunset.